want to eat an apple, red or green, juicy apple. I want to eat an apple, eat it raw or make a pie. I want to eat a banana, long, yellow, sweet banana. I want to eat a banana, eat it raw or bake a cake. I want to eat some grapes, green, purple, yummy grapes. I want to eat some grapes, eat these raw or make some jam. I want to eat an orange, round, juicy, its color is orange. I want to eat an orange, eat it raw or make some juice. I want to eat a watermelon, big, round, juicy watermelon.